Hello guys, today we're gonna test is it possible to soldering with this flame gun. If you have the right distance, you will not destroy the LED. Now let's check, is it burned from hot or it's still working. Let's try on this old dial-up modem. Can we remove the chip? Before I buy a professional hot air soldering tools, I use this and I have a very successful project and service. But you need to be careful from the right distance. It looks like empty, so we need to refill. It's just normal gas for lighters. Here is it. Now you can clean, and in the next video I'm gonna show you how to clean the PC board. And if you put in the right place, you can solder again. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more ideas in electronic.